Hi guys, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we will talk about the TikTok app's new changes, and did you know that you can find your comments history? So let's check how to get access to this history list. Let's open the TikTok application, guys, and right now we will show you how to find these comments history. So if you forget to like some video or for example to save it, you can find your comment and in this way you can switch to the needful video, or for example you can check if your comment is popular or not. So it's very convenient option. To get access to it, you need to tap on the three lines at the top icon and click on this settings and privacy. Later we need to go to this comment and watch history option and click on the second one. So guys, here we have the list of all your edits and uploaded comments. After clicking on it, you will check your comments. So if someone will like your comments, you will have the numbers of likes or dislikes here. And it's very cool that you can smoothly switch to the needful video on the TikTok. Guys, we know that this tutorial was very short, but I hope that this guide also will be and is very informative and useful. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe to our video to check even more cool tricks about the TikTok app and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!